Excuse me.
Madam, where are you running? What happened?
Please help me. Please give me your phone. I have to call Dad. Some people are behind me.
Which goons? Where are they? It's okay. Let me handle and let me call police also.
No need to do that. Just give me your phone. I have to call Dad.
You remember the number? Tell me the number. I will call.
Okay. Huh.
It's switch off.
Yeah. Show me your phone, please. Let me call my husband. I don't remember his number. But when I dial, I may recall.
Okay.
His phone is also off.
It's okay, ma'am. Don't worry. Let me call the police. They will handle themselves.
No need of that. I live in this colony only. I will go. Thank you.
Yeah, Anu, I met a strange girl. First she said some boys are following me. And when I asked to call police, then she said she lives nearby and went.
Hurry, leave now. Could be a crazy girl.
Anu, what's this? You have debited 4 lakh rupees from your bank account? Yeah, how 4 lakh debited from my account? And I didn't buy anything.
Did you tell your OTP to someone?
Yeah, I didn't get OTP either. How would I tell?
Or else you must have tapped on an unknown link.
No, I didn't tap any link.
So how it could debit it then?
Let me visit the bank once. That girl must have done something. Yes, you are right. She did. Who are you? And how do you know? I'm Inspector Sanju Sharawat, Cybercrime Branch. Many complaints were coming from this area that people are getting frauded. So we looked in and found out. But sir, how can someone get money without OTP and bank details? She will tell herself. Bring her. Tell them. How do you fraud with them?
Actually, we do frauds by forwarding calls and messages.
What does it mean?
Means we take their phone from them on the pretext of some emergency situation and dial a code on that. With this, their all calls and messages are forwarded to our number, and through their OTP, we empty their entire account.
What? Did you see? How good method it is. People's calls and messages are going to someone else and they don't even know. How do you take advantage of someone's trust? People won't help anyone after this. Don't you feel ashamed doing this? And yes, your partner is also caught. Play OTP game sitting in jail, okay? I will recover your money from them, okay? But be careful in future. Thank you so much, sir. You saved my money. And we will take care from onwards. Before giving phone to anyone, must check whether he is doing anything wrong. Take her. Let's go, ma'am.